Looking to turn your text into realistic, human-like speech? Whether you're a content creator, business owner, or just looking to save time, today we're diving into the 5 best AI text-to-speech tools that will revolutionize how you create audio content in 2025. From hyper-realistic voices to easy-to-use platforms, these tools are game changers. Stay tuned to discover which one is the perfect fit for your needs. Number 1. ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs has earned a reputation as one of the most sophisticated and versatile AI text-to-speech platforms available in 2025. What sets it apart from its competitors is its ability to produce hyper-realistic, human-like voices that come remarkably close to mimicking natural speech. Powered by advanced deep learning models, ElevenLabs generates voices with intricate nuances such as intonation, emotion, and regional accents, which results in an audio output that is indistinguishable from a human voice. This level of realism makes ElevenLabs particularly valuable for industries where voice authenticity is crucial, such as audiobook narration, e-learning, virtual assistants, and voiceover work for media production. One of the standout features of ElevenLabs is its voice cloning capability. Users can upload voice samples, and the tool will learn and replicate that voice, producing customized outputs that match the original in tone, pitch, and style. This feature is invaluable for content creators or businesses that require a consistent voice for their brand, allowing them to create a personalized experience for their audience. Moreover, ElevenLabs offers the ability to adjust the emotional tone of the voice, which can infuse a sense of excitement, sadness, calmness, or urgency into the text being read aloud. Whether you are creating an emotional advertisement, an informative tutorial, or a heartfelt audiobook, ElevenLabs gives you unparalleled control over the output's emotional depth. The platform is also highly versatile in terms of language and accent, supporting multiple languages, dialects, and cultural nuances. This global reach makes ElevenLabs an excellent choice for international content creators and businesses looking to connect with a worldwide audience. Overall, ElevenLabs represents the cutting edge of text-to-speech technology and is perfect for anyone looking to produce high-quality, emotionally resonant voiceovers that enhance the listener's experience. Number 2. Play.ht. Play.ht has become one of the most widely used text-to-speech tools for professional voiceover work, owing to its ease of use and high-quality results. With an extensive library of realistic AI-generated voices, Play.ht caters to a diverse array of industries, including content creation, e-learning, advertising, and customer service. One of the reasons Play.ht has earned its place among the best TTS tools is its user-friendly interface, which allows both beginners and advanced users to quickly get started. The platform's smooth, intuitive design ensures that users can create high-quality audio outputs with just a few clicks, making it ideal for those who need to produce content quickly and efficiently. A key feature of Play.ht is its voice library, which includes a wide range of natural-sounding voices in various languages and accents. This diverse selection enables content creators to choose the perfect voice for their project, whether it's for a tutorial, podcast, or voiceover for video production. Another noteworthy aspect of Play.ht is its custom voice generation feature, which allows businesses to create a unique voice that aligns with their brand's identity. This customizability is crucial for brands seeking consistency and recognition in their audio content. Additionally, Play.ht allows for easy adjustments in the pitch, speed, and tone of the voices, providing full control over the final output. Play.ht also supports various export options, allowing users to download their audio in MP3 or WAV formats. This flexibility ensures that the audio files can easily be integrated into other media projects, such as video editing software or podcasting platforms. The platform's cloud-based functionality also ensures that users can access their content from anywhere, making it a perfect solution for remote teams or individuals who need to collaborate on projects. Overall, Play.ht strikes a perfect balance between professional-grade quality and user convenience, making it one of the go-to tools for voiceover professionals. Number 3. Murf AI. Murf AI has carved out a niche for itself by being an AI text-to-speech tool specifically tailored for content creators, marketers, and businesses. This platform is designed to streamline the process of creating professional quality voiceovers while offering a range of customization options that enhance the creative process. Whether you're a YouTuber, marketer, educator, or podcaster, Murf AI provides a suite of features that make voiceover production simple and effective. One of Murf AI's most notable features is its studio-quality voices that rival those produced by human narrators. With a library of voices in multiple languages and accents, Murf AI provides ample options for users to choose from, allowing for the perfect match for their target audience. Murf AI also allows users to adjust various elements such as pitch, speed, emphasis, and pauses, giving them complete control over the tone and delivery of the voiceover. This feature is particularly useful for marketers and creators who want to create dynamic content that matches the mood or emotion they want to convey. In addition to high-quality voice generation, Murf AI offers a seamless media integration feature, allowing users to sync their voiceovers with videos, presentations, and images directly within the platform. This eliminates the need for separate audio editing software, making the entire process more efficient and time-saving. Murf's Digital Sound Master plugin also allows for efficient preparation and editing and down-regulation of the software without stressing the audio the whole time. Furthermore, Murf AI supports team collaboration, enabling multiple users to work on a project simultaneously, which is perfect for teams working on larger campaigns or content projects. Whether you're creating a voiceover for an explainer video, an ad, or a podcast, Murf AI provides an all-in-one solution that enhances productivity and ensures high-quality results. Number 4. WellSaid. WellSaid offers one of the most professional-grade text-to-speech solutions on the market, tailored specifically for businesses and professional content creators. WellSaid's primary selling point is its ability to produce high-quality voices that sound natural and human-like, making it ideal for applications in marketing, corporate training, and customer service. The platform's voices are realistic and polished, with an emphasis on clarity and professionalism, making them suitable for any business environment from corporate video productions to interactive voice response IVR systems. One of the key advantages of WellSaid is its custom voice creation feature, which allows businesses to develop unique voices that reflect their brand identity. This is particularly important for companies looking to maintain consistency in their audio branding across various marketing channels. For example, a tech company may want a modern, authoritative voice for its customer service hotline, while a children's toy company may opt for a playful and engaging tone for its video content. WellSaid also integrates easily with a variety of other software, such as video editing tools, ensuring that the voiceover process is seamless and efficient. For businesses that require scalable solutions, WellSaid offers flexible licensing options and can handle projects of any size. Whether a company needs a few short voiceovers or a large-scale project with multiple voice actors, WellSaid is equipped to manage it all. Additionally, the platform's scalability ensures that businesses can easily grow their voiceover needs as their content production increases. WellSaid is an excellent choice for businesses that demand professional-grade voices with consistency, clarity, and emotional depth. Number 5. Natural Reader. Natural Reader has long been a favorite for individuals and organizations looking for a straightforward, reliable, and accessible text-to-speech tool. This platform combines simplicity with powerful features, making it an excellent choice for a wide range of users, from students and educators to content creators and professionals. Natural Reader's ease of use is one of its main advantages, as it requires no technical expertise to get started. Users can quickly convert text into speech by pasting text into the interface or uploading documents directly to the platform. Completing floating courses allows clients to customize their lesson plans and get feedback on their text illustrations. Using a simple URL, DHF, Natural Reader's OCR integration is another standout feature. This allows users to extract and read aloud text from images, scanned documents, and PDFs. For students, researchers, and educators, this feature is invaluable for turning textbooks, lecture notes, and research papers into audio content. Additionally, Natural Reader provides multiple voice options in various languages and accents, ensuring accessibility for a global audience. The platform also allows users to download their audio files in MP3 format, making it easy to listen to the content offline or integrate it into other media projects. For users who need an all-in-one solution for making content accessible, Natural Reader offers both desktop and cloud-based versions, giving flexibility in terms of where and how the platform can be used. Its focus on accessibility is also evident in its simple design, which makes it easy to navigate for users of all ages and technical abilities. Whether you're creating educational content, improving accessibility for the visually impaired, or simply looking to convert written material into audio, Natural Reader is a reliable and affordable choice. Now that you've seen the 5 best AI text-to-speech tools, it's time to elevate your content creation to the next level. Which tool are you excited to try? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. For more tips and tech reviews, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.